finger licking, seasoning that chicken. So what's good? Alright, what it do, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back with another video. So y'all, today we're gonna be making a slutty brownie. Just because I don't trust myself with cooking and baking stuff.
You already
I got
down stuff, man.
Yeah.
Look at you.
So I got Jakina here with me. She gonna be baking with me.
I'm Jakina.
And I'm Diana.
And we're gonna make these slutty brownies today. And yeah, oh heck no.
Yeah, and she also has a YouTube channel, so make sure you guys go check that out right now. I'm gonna put the description in the box and at the end of the video, so y'all go check her out. So what happened to us was we came all the way over here and then we forgot to buy these stuff, the ingredients for the actual brownie. So we have to go back. So y'all go ahead and watch that, and then so y'all go ahead and watch that, and then y'all come back and we'll start this cooking. But first, let's get into this intro.
What's poppin'? It's your boy Mo
They been gave me head on with the phone. Yo, I got all these girls, but don't know what to do with them. I do it for my fam. Nobody but God know. I'm African boy. I came up from the bottom and I could be in the bed. But you know I ain't tryna waste no time. No time. This guy gave me another day to grind. Got money on my mind.
Alright y'all, so we went all the way home and then we forgot to get what we need to cook. So basically we just went home for nothing. But
Oreos. Wait, do you want double stuff?
I don't even know. At this, I don't know.
I don't know about
The sweeter? Do they like sweet stuff?
Yeah,
We
but
like
I don't
that?
know about double stuff because
Yeah.
it's gonna be cookie and brownie.
Okay. So I'm doing this video with her today. And then I don't really know too much baking, but I know that I don't really know too much nothing about baking. I just felt like I wanted to do a cooking video today, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna choose. Which one? Is it gonna have nut in it?
I don't like nuts.
I don't like nuts either.
Well, it look like. Do you like triple fudge, double chocolate? You don't like dark chocolate?
Yeah. So I don't know.
I don't know about triple fudge. Let's do double, I guess. Since we ain't got no
Double
dark
chocolate it is. It got chocolate chips in there. Let them know.
Ghirardelli is the best brownie mix.
Yeah, and then I don't know. Should we get ice cream?
We can.
We just trying to make diabetes today, to be honest. We just felt
Yeah,
like
I mean, I guess. Well, yeah, it would be fun if we had ice cream.
ice cream it is. So what we got? What we getting
Ice cream
there?
is over there, but the cookie dough is right here.
Okay, so we're gonna go get the cookie dough and then we're gonna go get the ice cream because we're closer to the cookie dough section. So yeah. I used to be shy.
I was wondering that, like, do you be feeling like, oh, everybody's watching me, even though the
I mean,
world
at
we live in
first-
these days, it's like, it don't even matter.
No, what I used to be scared for is people to walk up to me and tell me to stop recording. For some reason, I used to be scared of that. But
Well, the world we live in,
yeah, we got this big ice cream. I said we gonna go big or go home. Out six. We gonna go big or go home. So we getting everything big. We going all out with this big pot of ice cream and 2 cookie doughs.
did you
Show
tell
the
them what
cookie
we
dough.
making?
Huh?
Did you tell them what we making?
No.
Pillsbury slutty brownies.
Yeah, slutty brownie. That's what we making. So we gonna get like the good Oreos. We should get thin Oreos or what?
Why is there so many Oreos? I just never
So
noticed.
let's go. We going big, yo.
Oh, hold on, I got.
All right, y'all. So this what we got, and then we just gonna go ahead and yeah, we just gonna pay for it, and then we gonna head back home and start the cooking. So deuce. But all right, guys, we just got out the store, so we about to head home and start all this cooking and stuff. Speaking of cook, yeah, we finna start this cooking. Well, baking. And then it's like currently 2:22 right now. 2:22. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all when we get home. Okay. So y'all, we just realized that we left the cookie dough. Yeah, we messed up. So we just realized that we left the cookie dough. We messed up already outside, so we had to put it in the freezer. So she finna tell me what to do next, cause what we doing next? I'm not a cook.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we just gonna start off with the brownies. So you just gotta read this. You need 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So we
Vegetable oil on a brownie?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got eggs, y'all.
Don't break that eggs.
I would not.
Tell me why.
That's funny.
No,
Wait, you have to break the eggs anyways.
Y'all gotta be like, pop, boom.
Did he just break the eggs?
I was shocked though. They just click together. You know what? Let me put these eggs down, cause.
No, I really feel like
Hey.
a certain way to do it.
Hey, he ain't playing no games. What is that? What is that? Wait,
So what should I do?
No, she be dancing and flipping and shit.
Me. I can do it in this house first. I don't know about you.
I want to see how it looks.
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
She have to make sure she's not in the cup. So what's next?
So just put the mix in there.
And where?
In the bowl.
Oh. Alright, so everything, all of them? Ain't that apple cold?
That's what I was just thinking.
I can't bite into cold stuff.
Oh, she said it's not cold.
So like what? So like I pour the whole thing in there?
Yeah, both of them, and then put all of that together, and then plug this up and do it. You got it.
Oh yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Why are you doing that?
Zoom, zoom, zoom. What was that off of?
Strawberry longer?
No,
No.
that's Dream.
No,
No, I thought she was doing the
No,
original.
she
I
said
think that was
zoom,
a
zoom.
commercial.
What? Zoom?
Zoom, zoom, zoom. You know sound familiar?
No.
No.
Maybe back in your days.
We only 3 years apart.
2008.
She just said 2012. Do the math.
2008.
She'd be 2 years older than Aiden if she was 2012.
2008. Okay. Damn. 2008.
Youngins.
Me is
What year did you give me? I'm 2002.
me
Yeah, I said
2009.
2002.
Me is 2000.
You want me to put the other one in here too?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing smells real good. Hey.
Hey, that Ghirardelli.
Get into it. It smells like
I like Betty
Nesquik.
Crocker more.
Oh, I remember when me and my sister, when we were little, my
Trigger.
mama, she would let us eat, like, when she was done making the stuff,
She did what?
she would let us, like, eat the batter, like, after it was done. Like,
Like,
I
But
don't
then
know.
she found out it can give you salmonella, so she said no.
I still do it to this
How
day.
can they give you from the eggs?
Yeah.
So I got really sad. Dude, you already getting messy, man.
Man, I don't know. You think this is gonna be a big enough bowl for this?
no.
That's not a mixing bowl.
Oh,
It'll be fine.
are you sure?
Mommy said not to use that because it had seafood in it.
No, I don't think that's
I
supposed to
don't
be.
think she would put seafood in it.
Actually, and besides, you said you don't know how to cook.
And I do want some shrimp.
So what do I do now?
Put all of that in there.
All of them? Oh yeah, watch this. Chef Boyardee.
Wait.
This together.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Get away from me.
And the
like,
egg,
don't
too.
Go ahead and
take
put
it-
that in the sink.
Ow,
Put what in the sink?
The stuff you just used.
Siblings are so annoying.
When you cook, you have to clean up after yourself. As
Cook,
you
cook,
go.
and clean,
As you
clean.
go.
Watch everything. Have y'all seen that Madea to play?
Which one?
Madea Goes to Jail to play?
Yep, we seen all of them. And
I know all the songs in Madea Go to Jail to play.
I know all the songs
Oh.
in all of them.
So, do we need some milk or something?
No,
Just-
You need some milk.
no, because milk doesn't go in brownies. It really does.
So what do I do?
Put it on one.
Smile, clean, hand the man the
Hold on, you need to get in the camera.
Wash that check.
I got my man.
Paying all your bills. Oh, I gotta put it in there first and then turn it on. Right? Oh!
I'm still trying to figure out why you wore
Oh,
why
yeah.
you chose of all days you chose to wear white.
Alright,
I
let's
don't
hit it.
know. Mickey Mo. Okay.
Mickey Mouse.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Oh yeah. You know, you gotta look professional with the apron. Yeah.
Hey, look. I'm an indoor pool.
Oh my God. Your Roblox house.
I could have forgotten.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, stop.
Yes, sir. Vice versa. Or you could record yourself too with a selfie mode.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
no, I'm just gonna record you for a second.
So,
What's up, people?
boom. Yeah. Don't call me Chef Mo for nothing. And people do call me Chef Mo, so don't answer that. We're done. So what's next?
He knows I already answered.
Oh yeah. Jakina did the second half, the right half, the right half. This side, and we did that side.
It looks really good though.
Oh, Keena William in the camera.
Oh!
Keena production.
It looks pretty good.
All right,
Oh.
one it.
Try to take some of that off. Okay. Now let me get you.
Give it to the big light. So I just do, and then isn't the,
Let's do it like
the thing gonna move? Ain't the thing gonna move?
No.
It ain't gonna move. We just gonna leave it like that, like no like sugar or anything, like.
It's good. It's pre-mixed. Yeah.
With what?
It's
I just pour it down like that.
Yeah, but don't put all of it because we might make another one.
Okay, so like all like that.
Mhm.
I'm scared.
Start like in a uniform way,
Like these.
so you don't have no gaps. Yeah.
Okay.
No, like this, and just go on down.
Oh, whoa, hold on.
Oh
Wait,
my
I'm
gosh.
nervous. I'm nervous.
Let me
Yeah, you
start
do
it
that.
off for you.
I'm
And
nervous.
then you,
Huh?
Yeah.
like just start it off in a uniform way is what I'm saying.
You're nervous when you're on live
For someone that is a
television.
chef, they
But
chefs
we gonna
cook
make
a lot.
another one because you got like you bought literally enough to make 2 of them.
Enough what? Cake mix?
No, you bought everything.
Oh, we gotta. No, I think we used both of these.
No, we did, but I'm saying you bought enough. Like, look at that. We didn't open it, and we didn't open it.
Wait.
I got a cat. Yay.
So people coming for me because I was nervous to put the cake mix on the brownie, and I'm still Chef Mo. Okay, like I didn't go to college for this for nothing.
Cap.
You just
I
lied.
only hack up my man with lies. You, I'm not gonna lie. You ain't go to no damn college for
Respectful.
no damn food, and you was scared.
That don't even sound like.
But she's speaking facts,
What?
man.
I'm telling her the truth.
Pause too much in that.
So
Cause I was like, should I
so
say scared? Should I say scared? He was scared. It looks good though.
So you see this? So what we doing? Putting the brownie cookies on top? What we doing that? Like, do we put anything on top?
Nope. When I looked at the recipe,
I thought it was gonna be sluttier.
when I looked at the recipe,
You
it
thought-
looked
And ice cream and icing on the top. I mean, chocolate syrup on top.
See, I know you want that icing
like
on.
he was saying like, should we put some more Oreos on top?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let go. Oh,
No.
Oh,
beautiful.
No, Tito.
it actually looks pretty good, but we got enough to make a second.
No.
Like this delicious Oreo brownie. It's called slutty. I don't even know why they call it slutty, but I just
feel
don't want
bad
to
for
bad.
Heather.
You feel naughty,
Whoever
especially
that
when you
is.
got the idea.
I don't want to feel naughty, but I just decided to say, oh my goodness. Okay, so Chef Mo back in the kitchen. So
Ooh, look at you.
Look at me. Look at me.
You got the cookies at the bottom.
Oh yeah, y'all see that? Well,
Wait, hold on. Do it
More
again.
cookies at the
on the
top.
bottom of the chocolate, y'all know.
Cookies or cookies. You got cookies. More. Remove your hand.
Alright, I'm gonna let you hold it. Don't let go.
Why is she holding it?
I told y'all they don't call me Chef Mo for none.
Okay, you got the cookies at the
I
bottom, Oreos, brownie mix, and Oreos.
And I whipped
Slutty
it.
brownies.
Oh my gosh. Please say Oreo brownie, please. Because.
I'm sorry.
Because.
Slutty brownies.
Oh my gosh, she said it.
Let's put it in the oven. We preheated it.
To 350. I swear to God, we never follow instructions.
All right, let's do this. I don't even know if it's 350 because we're black people. So let's look at the box. Flowers
With the wrong.
with nothing in it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the kitchen.
And the just put it
In
in
the oven.
I'm gonna just put it sideways because we're gonna make another one.
No, we gonna let's just focus on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to put two desserts in there at the same time. It's not gonna cook evenly.
All right. So
I gotta
yeah. So
More
what?
hold this.
So what we doing? So who wanna taste the first piece? We got that cookies and cream ice cream. Put it on top. Put it on
Hold on,
top.
who wants ice cream? I do.
Everybody want ice cream.
Not me.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
What was that ice cream game that it was something?
Is this zoomed in?
Ice cream. I made ice cream for a science project.
I did it one time.
Guys, so we're finna have the first taste. I am nervous. I mean, everything was already made, but I'm still nervous. Let's see what y'all doing. Let's see how we doing it.
I tried that little piece right there. Oh gosh, it's like
Oh my god.
come on, brownie.
I hope they like it, cause
So
So-
good.
is it good?
This is so good.
My mom was gonna love it.
I just tasted. I promise y'all, they don't call me Chef Mo for nothing.
Really good.
They don't call me Chef Mo for nothing.
No one calls me that. You'll be okay.
Chef Mo. But also with the help of Jakina Williams, y'all know. So like I said in the first time, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel at Jakina.
It's really sweet.
I mean at good times, but like you gotta spell it. Times like the you know,
Herb time. THYM. Oh yeah.
yeah.
Just put it on the candle.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just put it on there.
No, it's THYMES.
Yeah, it's gonna be in there.
All of a
It's
sudden,
gonna be in
When
there.
you introduce her or something, then
Yeah.
all the social media.
It's gonna be in there. So
Your food
make sure
is
you guys
melting.
subscribe to it. You know,
That was pretty
and
good.
I ain't even eat the chocolate. All right, guys, that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Without further ado, we're out. Deuces.
Okay, what's that nigga talking?